In a quiet residential area of Sakai, Japan, this 71 square meter home rethinks how a compact house can feel open, private, and full of light. Designed by SAI Architectural Design Office, the project sits on a narrow urban site where neighboring buildings stand very close. Rather than turning inward completely, the architects created a house that carefully balances openness and privacy through its unique spatial arrangement. As we move through the home, the most striking feature is the series of small courtyards carved into the plan. These outdoor voids bring daylight deep into the interior while creating pockets of greenery that can be seen from multiple rooms. Instead of relying on large street-facing windows, the house gathers light from above and from within, allowing the family to enjoy bright living spaces without sacrificing privacy from the surrounding neighborhood. The interior is organized around these courtyards, creating a continuous visual connection between rooms. Living, dining, and circulation spaces feel larger than the actual footprint because the eye is constantly drawn toward the outdoor pockets. The use of white walls, warm wood finishes, and simple detailing further enhances the sense of calm and spaciousness. Every opening is positioned intentionally, framing light, sky, and greenery rather than neighboring houses. What makes House in Sakai especially interesting for design inspiration is how it transforms a challenging urban lot into a serene living environment. The project demonstrates that a small home does not need to feel cramped. Through strategic courtyards, layered privacy, and carefully controlled natural light, the architects created a house that feels both intimate and surprisingly expansive. It is a thoughtful example of contemporary Japanese residential design where space, light, and daily life are woven together with remarkable precision.